Yeah, not only that we're talking about decentralization wherein we own a part of the internet, one of the main ethos of the blockchain is really to solve that $1 trillion question, to solve that $1 trillion issue, which is the cybercrime that is happening. No, year on year, $1 trillion are lost. If Davao is being targeted, and then they have this application wherein they want to send ayuda sa kanilang mga community or whatever, and it's being targeted, the treasury can be lost in an instant. So napakalaking bagay nun. Supposedly para sa community ng Davao, nawala, na-hack lang. And through blockchain, right now, part of it, of course, is that decentralized identity that we're targeting. A second is if they're going to give ayuda sa mga community sa community ng Davao, they can do it also on the blockchain. It's public. Everybody can see pagpasok ng pera galing sa government and kung saan napunta ito. And together with the decentralized identity, this is going to be tamper-proof, borderless, although Davao lang naman ito. Marami sila magagawa. It starts with the using the tech of blockchain, specifically ICP with Scalable, and moving on from there. Yung parang sinabi ni Sir June,